Hi everybody and welcome to this sketching of a sailboat. What you need is a black color pencil or a graphite pencil, and if you have one, a blender stick. That's nice for some effects later on. And what I do first is draw in the body of that ship. And the ship, of course, has these two lines for keeping up the sails. And I first draw in the first sail and the second sail. You can see the lines where they are hanging from. Now here on top I draw in two little flags and two more little sails. Then I draw in the bigger sails. You can see they are bended from the wind. And this is how I put them in. Then you can put in the horizon, which is just behind your sailboat. I draw in some shadows. Now this sail ship is on the sea, so what I also draw in is the reflection in the water. That gives it a very special effect. Then I draw in some waves. The waves far in the back are near to each other, and here in front you can really see those big waves. What is also a very nice detail is to draw in, of course, some clouds that are behind the ship. And what is also very nice is to draw in the sun and the sunset with some little tiny beams just behind the sun. Then I make the sea a little bit darker around that sun, and then you get the reflection of the sun in the sea. I also draw in some birds. As the birds are farther away, they get tinier and tinier towards the horizon. Then, if you like that effect, you can take the blender stick and then ease down your drawing a little bit. In that way, it will become a little bit more of a painting. I blender in a little bit between the beams of the sun to give the sky that special soft look. I also do that a little bit in the sails, but I want to keep them white, of course, so not too much. What is also very nice is to get that soft effect in the sky. Here and there I make extra shadows for that special effect, and I want that ship to pop out and be on top of the sea. And I also draw in a little bit darker that shadow that is casted into the sea. Now your drawing is becoming more and more like a painting. Now the sketch is done in black and white, but of course you can color it in all the way you want. But first you have to get your sketch right. I put in a little bit extra dark color here behind the clouds. In that way the clouds will appear whiter. Well, I hope you will give this a try, of course, and also I hope for a big thumbs up. Good luck on your drawing of this beautiful sailboat. Don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you again in my next tutorial.